What's going on, everyone? Austin's Adventures here, and today we're gonna head down to Key West and catch the powerboat races. That's the plan anyway. It's pretty calm. It's been rainy all morning. There's supposed to be some showers possibly later. There's some stuff behind us you can see, but it seems to be staying offshore for the most part. So it's about like a 28-mile run down to Key West from Cudjoe Key, where I'm at right now. So let's get this underway, and hopefully the sun comes up and we get some better weather. Well guys, we made it out to Key West here, down at the, I guess this would be the south end of the port or the harbor. So out here with the big boats, I feel like a small fish. Let's see if I can swing you guys around here. This is what I'm anchored next to. Ooh, big money. Fortunately, it's a very gloomy day here. Typical November weather. So we don't got no racing yet until I think 1:30, something like that. So I'm really early. And I forgot my chapstick. My lips are all chapped. Oh, life problems. Alright, well guys, race one has begun. I don't know if you can see him way out there, but they'll be flying right by us here any minute. I'm here in this line of boats. Here we go, turn one. Or actually, I don't know if this is turn one. I think this is the last turn. We on top up front. That guy's having some problems in the back. I hear him misfiring. About to launch. To help view the crane. Let's tour the pits real quick. You know I had to do it. That just looked too fun. The Wix team's about to put it on the trailer. Down Duval. I gotta go to Green Parrot, get my buddy some shirts, some koozies. Why did the chicken cross the road? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. guy's killing it with them Mercuries.
Coast Guard Sector Key West, come back. Coast Guard Sector Key West, come back.
That's that for the boat races, guys. Pretty good. No crashes, no one got hurt, you know, everything's good. So we're gonna make our way back to Cudjoe and maybe do some fishing along the way. We'll see what it looks like. So see you guys in a little bit. Pretty decent day. Got to see a bunch of really fast boats. Now, back to the house. Time to make some dinner. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.